Hey everybody, in this video we've got a Master Lock 140 cut shackle also. You see my last video. I tried to rake open that lock in the field and had no luck, so it got cut. And since the angle grinder was already out, this one just got cut too, but doesn't mean you still can't pick it. So I'm going to give that a try now. A 40 thousandths pry bar and a Peterson gem in 25 thousandths. Okay, so we'll start on one, a little bit of a click, two, three, click on four, back to one's all right, two, click on two, three, well, we got a lot of rotation there. I didn't realize these had security pins in them. I guess though, how would I know? Actually, I have cut some of these apart. I don't recall what was in them, but it's not open yet, and it's a lot of rotation. Yeah, I guess it does have a spool pin in it. Cool. So that's picked. Let's see if I can get it out of the vise here. It pops back. And see, it's unlocked. And cool, fun pick. So the Master Lock 140 single pin picked, and that's all we got on this one. And we'll talk to everybody later.